Good morning, I'm Rafael Alves, plastic surgeon from Brazil. I'll be presenting our research entitled New Technique for Female Genital Whitening Randomized Clinical Trial, Phase 1. Our disclosures, no funding and no conflicts of interest. Genital hyperchromia may cause significant aesthetic discomfort and change in women, such as low self-esteem and inhibition with a sex partner. There are no studies in current literature about using whitening solutions for treating genital hyperchromia. This original study aims to verify the safety of a whitening solution in the female genital region and its impact on sexual function and quality of life. It had been appropriately registered and approved by the institution's Research and Ethics Committee, and all participants agreed and signed the informed consent. This is a Phase 1 clinical trial, double-blinded, for patients and for the applicant professional. The research included non-menopausal women aged between 18 and 45 years of age who had complaints of darkening of their genital region ratified by the professional. Participants with genital herpes, healing problems, skin wounds, keloids, pregnant women, laser, or intense pulsed light hair removal were excluded. No sample calculation was performed, granted this is a Phase 1 study, opting for a convenience sample with a minimum of 10 participants per group being chosen. Patients came by spontaneous demand, invited by printed media and general announcements. This procedure consisted of 5 whitening solution chemical peel sessions, lasting 15 minutes each, and with intervals of 15 days between each session. The placebo group went through all previously steps described with a cream of the same color, texture, however differing from being acid-free. The safety analysis was performed during treatment through the professional's medical records, as well as after treatment when patients were asked about symptoms such as itching, burning, erythema, pain, and hypersensitivity. Evaluation of sexual function was done through the Female Sexual Function Index and Quality of Life Evaluation by Melasma Quality of Life Questionnaire. From the 27 women recruited, 14 were in the test group and 13 in the sham group. Clinical and social demographic data showed no statistical difference between groups. Only a single patient from the test group reported minor complications like itching and burning after end of treatment. None of the patients experienced infections or allergic reactions during treatment. No adverse effects were observed. Thus, it's unclear whether the only minor symptom present in the study is related to the treatment. According to the FSFI, groups were initially similar, showing average below the cutoff point of 26.5, presenting sexual dysfunction. The test group improved above the cutoff point after treatment, but no statistical difference in the intragroup analysis was shown. When first analyzing Melasqual, difference was shown between groups, as the test group presented a worse median in relation to the sham group, 46 and 27 respectively. After treatment, the test group exhibited a significant reduction of median, statistically significant in the intragroup analysis. The most important analysis is when the variation between the final and initial intergroup scores was analyzed. There was a significant statistical difference in the FSFI, which could represent indication criteria for cosmetic treatments. As the test group had worse quality of life and the groups were different at the beginning, the analysis of the variability of scores may have been impaired. Additionally, the Melasqual questionnaire was not developed to assess quality of life in women with complaints of genital dyschromia, and it may be necessary to develop a specific cut point or adjustment for this purpose. In conclusion, this Phase 1 study showed that the chemical peel solution described is safe, increased the sexual function, and could potentially have some impact in quality of life. Thank you for your time. Feel free to give us any feedback in comment section below.